So come, you turn on your video lah. I'll start with you. Are you there? Hello, hello. Are you there, Shafia? Shafia's not there. Once you are there, you turn on your video, okay? Then we can start with you. Okay. So we start with you. The rest should be coming, but they are a little bit late. So let us see. I am also going to open up the. Hold on, 1 minute, 1 minute. Sorry, Now I'm the one. Okay. So let me see. Okay, I'm going to share screen. Okay, we try. We revise lah. Okay, we revise, and then we see what do you remember. Okay, this one we have. Can you try to do question 1A? 1A, do you mind? Shafia, you okay, Shafia? Can you find the decimal for A and B? We're still revising this, but the rest are coming. How are you, Shafia? Okay, all okay now? Answer, Shafia. Actually, what's the meaning of your name, Shafia? Do you know? Don't know? Hey, find out lah. You must know meaning of your name. One moment, I'm going to charge my thing. Shafia, can you do? You remember how to do now? You can count from here. This is like each one is like 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. So you have sent me answer. Okay, let's see. Well done, 0.9. Then what is it in fractions? If this is 0.9 in decimal, as you have stated, 0.9, what is it in fractions on here? 0.9. This one is what? Okay, we have someone coming in now. Okay, so okay. So same thing, Putra. We are gonna just do this as a revise while we wait for. Let me me see. Anyone else coming? You, I think. Who else? Who else did I message? Okay, maybe Neris might be coming. Let us see whether she's coming or not. I don't know whether she's coming. So can you send me your answers by send me your answers. The sound, huh? Okay. Oh, there's one now. Who is this? Nikash. Nikash. This guy. It's Neris. Hello, Neris. Come, we are doing this one. We try to see. Okay, the next one, Shafia, correct. But can you? What about the fraction, Shafia? So Neris, we just for your info, we count from here to here like 0.1. This is 0.1. This one is 0.2. Okay. 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9. This one is 0.9, Neris. So you try to find out what is B. Okay. And then at the same time, what is the fraction? Putra, come, you send me answers, Putra. You know how to do this one, right? Easy, right, Putra, for you? Easy? Putra, should be, right? Okay, so down here, okay, very simple. If this is 9, this is one space, so you write 9 on top. Okay, and why is it like that? It looks at n. Okay. You put a 9 on top, and then below, this one is in the tens place, is 1/10. If there's one space here, you put 10. If let's say I say 0, 0, 1, there's two spaces, you must put over 100. Okay, every space is like a 0 lah. And then 1 over 100 like that. This is 1, right? 1 on top. Below, you look at the number space. 1, 2, you put 2 zeros. So down here, there's only one space. You put 1 0. Okay, so you try. We move on. The next one, B. Come on, B. Okay, B. Neris can do B, but Neris. Down here is 1. So 1.1, 1.2. You count until you reach here. So what is it? Can Neris? Putra can do now. Okay, so again, Neris, you see, let me see who sent me the answer. Okay, not 8 over 10. You're almost there. 8 over 10 is correct, Shafia. So that, okay, so I go one by one first. We go for decimal. So this is 1. This one here, Neris, is 1.1. Then the next one is 1.2. This big one is always 0.5, 1.5. Then this one, 1.6, 1.7, 1.8. So we write 1.8 here. Now, Shafia, you must remember, if this one is 0, in front here, there's nothing. If there's 1, Shafia, you must put 1 whole. And then how many over 10? You see 1 space? 1 space, you must put 1 0 only. And put an 8 over here. So 1.8, you see this 1 down here, 1 whole, is 1 whole here. Is 0, you see 0? There's nothing here. Kosong lah. We don't put right 0 lah. We just kosong down here. Don't leave it blank. And 9 over 10. We try the next one. Okay, we try the next one. All right. Just a moment. Just a moment. Neris, are you okay, Neris? You seem to be enjoying. What are you eating, Neris? It looks so delicious. Okay, I will get you for an advertisement. You can become an actress on my advertisement. Okay, come. We try the next one. Come. Okay. Bisa.
Teacher.
Yeah. Yes.
I don't understand the question.
What? Sorry. What did you say? Sorry. What did you say?
I still don't understand the question.
still don't understand the question. Okay, so now down here, let us see. Yeah, now down here, this one is in between 8 and 9. So this thing must be 8 something, like 8 point something for sure. How to find 8 point something? What is this? There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 8.4. This thing now for D is between 9 and 10. Nearest this should be what? 9 point what? You count lah. 9.3. Okay, so 8.4, 9.3. Because there are 10 parts here. Okay, then how to change this? Remember, if in front there's an 8, you put 8 whole. Then what's a fraction? 4 put on top. Okay, bottom, this is one space, right? Put 1 0. Why I say 1 space 1 0? Later on it might be 2 spaces, 3 spaces. Then you got increase the 0. Same thing, this is 9 down here, put a 9 here. 3 put a 3 on top. Below, this is 1 space. After the decimal, 1 space, put 1 0. Okay, later I'm going to show you something else with more zeros. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, notice the pattern. 9 in front, 9 here. So this one down here now, can you see what? It's after 9, before 10. You cannot put 10, it's 9 something. Imagine this is like a very long ruler. Like this is like very long ruler. And then this one is 0 here. And this one is number 9 is here. Number 10 is here. So how long is the ruler? The ruler is 9 cm something. You know what I mean? That's what it means. Okay, we try. If you still don't get it, you must tell me again. Shafia, you get it? Get it. Okay, you get it. Little. Neris, what you think? Kacang? Kacang or dinner? Oh, yes. You get it. You raise your hand means you get it or don't get it. You get it. Cannot hear you lah. Because maybe your reception in the island is different. You might be on a special island. Might be far away from Singapore. Okay, we try now. We try this one. Can we? They ask you to convert now. Easy lah. You convert. Can you convert this one? What is it in fraction? Oh, Putra also eating also. Kacang. You see, Neris. Once you eat, he also want to eat. He say, you think you alone can eat? I also can eat. So Putra, what do you think, Putra? Kacang. Kacang. And you know what's going to happen? Shafia is going to eat soon. Shafia, you better get something. Oh, Razik is coming in. I thought the mother says he's sick. He's sick, that's good. If he's sick, so it's still coming. Alhamdulillah, let us see. Okay, let's see now. Accidentally press. Accident. Okay, it's okay. Okay. All right. Hello, Razik. Come. We are going to convert this to fractions. Okay. If you are a little bit new, don't worry. I'll show you in a moment. Okay, Razik. Okay. We try first. Those who can. Okay, we try. Yeah. Razik, you sakit also you join. Wow. Well done, Razik. Well done. Inspire your brother also. All right. Razik, you know how to change this to fraction? Do you know? If you know, you run away. Okay, I need to mute him because this one is. Okay, but the noise is there. Come, please send me your answers, please. Shafia, don't show your forehead lah. Forehead aja. You know, I sent your mother a note about the Sec 1 class. I said I will stop the Sec 1 students. Do you know about it? Because some you don't, you know. So who are the ones who causing this? The 4 girls I teach in Bukit Batu. They are the ones I might stop. Can you imagine? I don't know why they have this thing. I know some I've seen a Chinese girl. They only show their pusat. They wear the shirt. This one on Zoom tuition, the Muslim girls only show the forehead. I don't know why. Is it new fashion or what? Funny lah. Okay, but anyway, come. Let's try. Okay, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, if you are confused, I will show you now. To change the fraction, this is 5.9. So put 5 whole. And then you write something like that. See this one? 5 whole something. So what over what? You write down now. 7. What over what? 6. What over what? You can do this. You see now down here, all this is one space. Then you put 1 0. Why I say like this? Later on, you might have to put 2 zeros. Later on, you might have to put 3 zeros. Okay, so let us try. Okay, you try and put all the numbers inside now. Okay, Shafia has sent me a photo. Okay, well done, Shafia, well done. Okay, Shafia has put a 9 on here, correct? You see, you have the 9 here, you put a 9 on top. So this one 2 here, you put a 2 on top. The 4 here, put a 4 on top. Now what number below? This is one space, 10. Okay, the last one, we just do the last one. Because later on, we're going to go over hundreds and then thousands. Okay. Putra can do the Putra. It's too easy for you, Putra. Putra is too easy for me. I'm bored. I might be doing something else. From his reaction, I think he's doing something else. Is it true, Putra? Don't do that, Putra. Just say, I don't care. Okay, come. The last one, the last one. Nevis, come, the last one. Okay, well done. Okay, so you can do something like this. Okay, the last one is 6 over. Okay, so you can also do this. You can do like what Shafia is doing. If you feel very difficult to the thing, what you can do is, you see, she did this. Can you see? She write down. Alamak, this thing is auto change. But anyway, she write it down, take a photo, and send it to me. So if you want to send it to me, no problem. You know my phone number. If you want to, I'll write it down on here: 9773 9441. Okay. Okay. All right. Then you can send it to me, or you can write it in the chat. Okay. Come, Neris, come. We try. Come on. This is decimals, And now we are gonna go now to the next one. Now the next one, same thing. Can you try very quickly? Very quickly. Come on. Offer. Very quickly. How to change it to fractions? Razik can do, Razik. You send me over by the chat, okay? Come on, guys. We got to make sure that our community does well in mathematics. Why is that so? Mathematics is about thinking, Mathematics is about thinking. Let me see. Okay. Oh, so sorry, Miss Shafia. You have forgotten that 20 is supposed to be a whole number. So what do I mean now here? It means it has to be like this, Miss Shafia. You put a 20 like that, and then put the fraction thing like this. 20 point something means 20 got to be the whole number, then you got to write something over something. What is something? Put the 8 on top, Shafia. What is below? There's only one space here. Put 1 0. Like this. If you put 20 over 10, you know what it means not? 20 over 10, I reduce, I divide by 10, 2 divided by 1 equals 2 whole. Alamak, from $20, let's say 80 cents, I get $2 je. Cannot lah, not fair. You can see, this is like $20, 80 cents. This one $2 je. So cannot be, yeah. So we try the next one. Come on, okay. You can key in your answers. Otherwise, I have to go through. Razik, you know how to do, Razik? Razik, you know how to do, Razik? No response. Chungkok, you know how to do Chungkok? It's easy, right? Come on now. Like that means what is that? Is that, okay. All right. Well. Okay, but anyway, come. Neris, don't think you are the only one who can dance. We can dance too. Okay, all right, here we go. Let's see. Who else? Waiting for answer. No one is that thing. Waiting for the durian to fall. It's like waiting for the durian to fall. Doesn't fall. In fact, some people joke. They say that the person who discovered the law of gravity is Isaac Newton. It could have happened in Malaya or Malaysia or Indonesia, but it didn't happen because durian fell on their head and they died. Tak tunggu durian. Okay, my wife said, mereka tak tunggu durian. Okay, here we go. Okay, since you are a little bit okay, good. Okay, I have someone saying wait, so we are waiting for the rest. Come, you put this as yes. Oh, yeah. You have sent the answer. Two. Aduh. Yes.
Can I write down?
Sorry?
Can I write down?
Write down. Write down on the screen.
Uh,
Okay, write down for 20.3 lah, 20.3 right now lah. Then Shafia, you can write down for 22.5. Naris, you can write down for 21.7 on the screen. Come. And Chayo. Okay. 2. Wow. Aduh. Aduh. Dia pergi go into Naris place lah. Come. Jungkok, what are you writing? Okay, Shafia right below. This Shafia, you must do the 22.7, 22.5. Jungkok was doing the 20.3. Naris, you do this one. Cepat lah. Some more. Apa? Okay, all right. 20. So yours is down here, right? For Shafia, she write 22, 5/10. Let's see, Putra. Okay, also correct. Miss Naris, this one how to do? You know how to do 21? What over what? What over what? Yes. Well done, Naris. Although it's a different person. Okay, but anyway, well done. Okay, well done. So actually, it's quite simple. It's quite simple. Later, I'll show you some photos. I do not know whether some of you have seen or not. I'll just show it to you. Now it's fraction, okay? Fraction. So we are going to change from fraction to decimal very quickly. I think we have done this, so I'm going to forward, okay? I want to go to the next thing. So we have done. We have not done, but never mind, we move on. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Down here now. You see, okay, I'm going to write down before you do. Down here, don't draw. Don't draw. Now down here, if I write, let's say 157.3.245, the first thing you need to do is identify the ones. The ones is always just to the left of the dot. This is ones. Beside is tens, and this one is tenth. What is tenth? How do you spell that? Well, they spell it for you down here. This one down here. Can you see tenth? See, it's 1 digit to the right of the dot. If 2 digits to the right, 1, 2 is hundredth. Okay, 3 digits is thousands. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so you try, okay, and here we go. How come there's so many people chanting? Okay, all right, you try now. Can you try to write down what's the answer now here? Okay, you write down on your own and send it to me, okay? Because we don't have enough screen space for everyone. So very quickly, what is the number? What is the number? Okay. You send me by chat, okay? Because there's so many. So you send by chat, okay? So what you write down the whole number, no? What's the whole number? You understand what I'm saying? Maybe this number is 1.578. You feeling this is your working lah. Working, you don't need to show me. What's the number after that? What is the number? Do you know what I'm talking about? Okay, I'll show you this one. If you do not know, if you do not know, I'll just show you very quickly. What is 2 ones? 2 ones is 2 lah. 4 tens, 0.4. Then how many? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0.05. And then next one, 1, 2, 3, 4 thousands. 0.004. So what do we do? You combine them together. I want you to write down the number. So how to combine? You add them up. 2 plus 0.4, then plus 0.05, and then plus 0.004. So you add together, you get a number 2.454. Okay, this is the answer I'm searching for. I'll give you the next one. You try to do that way. You can do your working not on the screen, otherwise become very messy. But you just send me this answer in your chat. What is the number? Here we go. Okay, so sorry, some of you, when I close the thing, you all having, so those of you can do B and C, great. Notice there's no ones here, so this one is 0. And here we go. Finally, I want to know what's the number. What's the number? What is the number? the number. Anybody, anybody. Anyone? You all know how to do or not? Okay, I do not know. As I'm waiting, nothing is there. So this one, this is under tens.
One more.
Sorry?
Can you go to one more?
Yeah, we go to one more, okay? So now this is tens. How no tens? This is all made up of tens. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tens is 40. Okay, there's 4 tens, right? So the value is 40. So down here ones, there's no ones. So it's 0. This one, how many tens? This is tens, you see? Can you see this is the tens place? 0 0.1, 0 0.2, 0 0.3. Okay, I'm changing the exercise a little bit. If you are doing this in school, probably they might just ask you to write 4, 0, 3. They want you to, but I want you to write the value down here. Why? Because I want you to know how to get this number. What number is it? This whole thing is one number. So hundreds, there's no hundreds. 0. So thousands, 0 0.001, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 0.006. So how to find the number? You got to add this up. 40, you're right. This is the working 40 plus 0 0.3 plus 0 0.106. So you add them together, you get 6 down here. This one's 0. You must make sure that your numbers are aligned. Otherwise, you'll get it wrong. 40.306. In fact, a faster way is 40.306. If you can see the pattern, you can do it without even doing the adding. See 40.3. Then the next number, there's nothing here, 100, 0. The last one is 6. Okay, so down here, I want you to write the value. Okay, you try lah, you try. Okay, if you need more practice with this, no problem, because we are 1 month ahead of your school. Your school will only teach this when? Next month. So why are we doing so early? So that when you go to school, you become more confident. Before your teacher teach, you already know. You know what it does to you? It does a lot to your self-esteem. Self-esteem means how you feel for yourself. Some people, they have a problem. They feel better when they push other people down. Okay, you don't do that. We improve ourselves, we get better. I do not know whether you understand what I'm saying, but one day we will understand. Okay, let's try that. The next one. What is the number? Finally, I'm just looking. I want you just to send this answer here. What is this number? This is one number. You know, in the Quran, Allah talked about the odd and the even, about numbers, many things. Mathematics is very important to Muslims in Islam. So you must be good in mathematics. Some of you say, no, I want to dance. Even dancing also, you need to know mathematics. The rhythm. Pop, 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 beep, 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 and so on and so forth. Computer programming, physics, science, flight, and so on. Anybody? Anybody? So we okay, we come, okay, in case you are still, there's hundreds. So sorry. Okay, never mind. If you still can't get it, come, you run along. This is in the 100 side. So 100 side is only here. Okay, the tens is here. Okay. The ones, no ones. No ones means zero down here. Tenth is 0.1. No, so don't have. So zero down here. 100 is 0.01. None also down here, so don't have. Thousands you have down here. So this one is in the thousands place. It's over here. So what is the value of all of them? 100, 200. This is the value. Again, I'm doing it a little bit different from what the worksheet said. Some tens, 3 tens, so it's 30 lah. See how you get 30? 10, 20, 30. Then this one, down here is 100 zeros. So this one, 0 0.001, 0, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 0 0.007. So what to do? Now you write down out of here and you can add them up together. 200. What's the number? 200 plus 30. Okay, plus 0. You have to write, okay, I'll write it down below. 0 0.007. So when you add them together, what you get? 0 0.007. Then 230. This is your answer. Okay. Maybe it seems a little bit blur, but it's okay. Okay, it's okay. You get yourself used to it. Just like first time when you, let's say, you will learn how to skateboard. What do? You just look only. Second time, you might try to stand on the skateboard. And then after you try to move a little bit, maybe you hold it close to the ground. And then after you start to try to stand up. So this process takes time. Don't expect suddenly first lesson I want to master everything. If you can, alhamdulillah. But if you cannot, don't be disappointed with yourself. You must encourage yourself. So we move on. We move on. Down here now. We have to change this now to what? To decimals. So how to do this? Very simple. I show you this first A and C. A and C, I show you how to do. Very simple. See what very simple. I'll show you. Now, remember what I said? There's 1 0, 2 zeros, 3 zeros. So you have dot, 1, 2, 3. Where do I put the 4? I put the 4 here. And then, is there any number here? No number here. 0. Put 0 here. And then the rest also put 0 lah. This is your decimal. Next one, same thing, count again. There's 1, 2, 3. So put now down here, dot, 1, 2, and 3. Down here, there's 0 here, put 0. Put the last one as 5.
So where you get the 0?
Where I get 0? Okay, come. I show you now to the left, to the right of it. Can you see to the right of it? Down here now, this one, can you see? There's a 1. There's a 1 down here. So we must start with 1 dot 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 187 here. But you see, this one then we get it 0. Because this one is 004. Actually, it's like 004. Because there's only 4. Okay? You try to, okay. You try to do this one, come. You try, come. Can you try this one? Neris, you know how to do this, Neris? Quite easy, right? You look down here is 0 is 0 point something. Down here is 1 means it's 1 point something. So you have to decide. Down here is 29 is 29 point something. Down here is nothing, 0 point something. You fill in now. Can you send me the answers from A to H? Jiayo. Come on, you can do this. Believe in yourself.
copper-coated mask that can...
Sorry.
Sure.
Yeah.
Do all.
Yalah, all. Just send me by the chat now. Come on. You can don't write on the screen, so that the rest can think. You see, you can see some of them are thinking. Well, see, I told you right. When you are eating, Naris eating. Now we have Shafia eating. Then she turned off the video. She doesn't want us to see us chewing food. See, she's licking her lips. It's yum yum. What you eating? Kuih? Kuih tart? Yeah. Chocolate chip. Does Kakak Shafika make chocolate chip?
Yeah.
Oh, she can make. Wow. You can make also. You can make. Wow, Shafika, congrats, Sec 1 and you can make the kuih. Wow. I'm not talking about the chocolate cake inside the smelly one, the real chocolate chip lah. Yes. Okay, well done. This is why you're talking about the smelly one. Okay, we have the first answer coming in. Congratulations. And this now is, you see, Shafia. Godzilla. Oh, okay, Godzilla. Yes, correct. Congratulations for A. Godzilla got it correct. Now the Japanese call it Godzilla. I do not know why they call it Godzilla.
Teacher, don't go to pressure A.
Yeah, I'm not. I'm waiting for you guys. Neris, you can do it, Neris. Cup.
So I don't question A.
Yeah, I saw. Your answer is correct, Godzilla.
Teacher, where did you get the zero again?
Where I get the zero? You see down here, there is nothing here. Nothing means zero.
I know.
But down here, you say, should it be 0.4? Okay. So you must make sure that you have 3 blanks. Don't go through. Okay. Zip. Now. Well done, Mr. Putra.
Teacher, I do until
H. You do until H,
Don't go through.
Don't go through that. Okay. But cannot be too long.
Question C.
Question C. Congratulations. You are doing well, man. Okay. I will appoint you as assistant teacher, can? Can. Wow. Come on, Neris. Come on, Neris. Okay, well done, Putra. Okay, well done, Putra. For E. Okay. For Putra alone, I think we got to give him more lah. Oh, it's up to E. Okay, Shafia has sent me the answer. Wow. Yeah. Okay, so your first two not correct. C is correct. D is correct. E, F not correct. So okay, so now I'm gonna show you, okay, Shafia, why is this part not correct? Now down here, when you have now, there's 3 zeros, right? So you got to put, who is this person now coming in? 3 zeros means there must be 3 blanks. This for Shafia. Hey Shafia, where are you? I'm explaining to her. Alamak, listen, Shafia. What are you doing, Shafia? I explained to you. Now, down here, now this 4 must go to the first one, the first blank from the right. Notice our first one. Then you see what about the rest? Rest put 0 lah. Yes.
Sure.
Okay, yours. Okay, congratulations, Mr. Putra. All your answers are correct.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
Okay, so I go through again. So this four, Shafia, you put it right in the first one now here. Neris also, same thing. There's
Yeah,
three zeros. Three
sir.
zeros means, yeah?
How many,
Sorry?
how many correct I have?
How many correct you get?
Yeah.
Okay, you got all this one correct, you got this one correct, you got these two correct. The rest, you miss out the zero. So now you see, put the two at the first one, put the two at the first one, the one at the second one. Then down here, there's nothing, right? Put a zero. Down here, put a zero. Same thing, down here, you see there are three blanks. So down here is just nice, right? Here, 105. Okay, good. Then put a point zero. Well done. Down here, you know, one whole, 187, easy. So Shafia, you tell me what's the answer for this one. There's three space after the dot.
So when you get the for the A, right? Then you get the 0, 0.
Okay, where I show you now. I show you for E. You must put the 7 at the first one now here. Neris also. Put the 3 in the second one. Okay. And then the 2 down here before the dot. Now down here you must put something. So what do you put? You put 0. Where there is no number, you have to put a 0. That's why you need to know how many blanks. That's why you need to know how many blanks. If you say, Shafia, if you say the answer like that, Shafia, 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 if you say the answer like that, means you are saying there's only two zeros. 1, 2. Not true. You look at this. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So you must have 3 spaces here. You get it or not? If you put 2.37, you are saying there's only 2 zeros. There's now down here, you write what you write. You write 29.9. You know what you have written? You have written down here. I write for you. This one means 29. Now, you have one space means 1 0. You are saying like that. It's not the same. This is 9 over 1,000. You must have 3 spaces after the dot. 1, 2, 3. So you put 29 on here. And then after you put the 9 here, then your question is, what do we put here? There's nothing here. You put 0 lah. That's where you get the 0. When you have a blank but no number, you put 0. So down here now, 16. 16, right? 16. Put a point on here. How many blanks? 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now, you put the 2 at the first one. You put the 4 the second one. So now there's kosong down here. What is it? You put on. You must put 0 because there's nothing there. You get it? What about the last one? You tell me what's the answer for the last one, Shafia. 50 point. Is it 50.5? You agree 50.5? This is the same mistake you're making. Remember, there's 1, 2, 3. So you must have 1, 2, 3. So this 5 you don't put in the first one. You put the 5 in the last one. You put the 5 in the last one. And then down here, what do we put? We put 0 lah. See, why put 0? Because there's nothing there. Kosong, you put 0. 0 means kosong. Alamak, she's not listening. She asked me, then she go and makan. Okay, doesn't matter. We move on now. We move on. We move on. Okay, Chungkok is ready. Chungkok is bored already lah. Okay, so that's where now we see if we go this one. What place is this? You have to identify the one space first. Which digit is the one space? Then you write down A, B, C, D. Come. Okay, which one is the ones place, which one is the tens place, 100 place, and so on. And in a while's time, I'll show you something.
Teacher.
Yeah, yeah.
UNDRSD.
What? 100? There? The word's 100 here. HUN? Chungkok, send me an answer lah for all of them, Chungkok. Oh, you just send me an answer. Thank you very much. Now what time? Allahu Akbar. 8:50. When student ask now what is the time, when we're gonna end, the student is already bored. Okay, later I'll share with you. Right after this question, I'll share you something. I do not know whether I've shared with Putra and Shafia the other day. Well, I'll share you all today. Maybe I have not shared with you all the other day. Did I share with you about the mummy? Mummy? Did I share with you about money? Mummy? I shared with you about the mummy. No. Yes, sir. Putra, I shared. What did I share? What did I share about the mummy?
Eat the food. Yeah.
Okay, I'll share shortly. We finish this one now. Okay. Those of you, okay, we are taking too long of time down here. Now, if I write down the number 1, 2, 7.4, 5, 6, you got to memorize. Neris, where is the ones place? Where's the one place? Okay, this one, where's the ones place? Which digit is in the ones place? Shafia, which digit is ones place? Neris, which digit? 9, yes. Why we know 9? This is to the left of the dot. Beside it's tenth, 100, 1,000. So this is like 1, this one is 10, this one is like 100, and this one is 1,000. But the difference is they have a TH. You see down here is 1, this is 10, no TH. This is 10th with TH. Different, huh? Different. So the digit 4 now is in the 10th place. Check, 10 but with a TH. TH means what? It means divided by 10. It means this number is 4 divided by 10. It's actually 0.4. Okay, it's actually 0.4. Okay, the next one now. 2. 2 is tens, 100, 1,000. So we write 1,000. How to spell 1,000? T-H-O-U, Tau. Alamak. Hold on. Tau. And then sen. You know sen, pasir. Sen. By the way, White Sands, there was an infection of COVID-19. So don't go there if you are going to White Sands in Pasir Ris. Okay, down here there's your TH. Which one is at 100th place? Ones, tens, 100. So 7. Okay, I'm going to share with you now. This is, who is that? Okay. I'm going to share with you. This is now, it happened about 50 years ago, where they wanted to bring the mummies. You know mummies? Not your mother, mummy. Not your mother. No, not your mother. These are the dead bodies.
The food.
Food.
Mommy.
What? Mummy. Oh, that mummy crackers, we don't have it then. Okay. But these mummies are the ancient Egyptian mummies. And the French government wanted to do an inspection of it. So what happened? You won't believe what happened. I'll show you now. Okay, so here. You can check this out on the internet. Okay, so let us see where's on the internet. Down here. So you can write mummy, France, passport. Let me see. Do you get? And then images. Can you see now? This is the passport, you know. Mummy can have a passport. Okay, let me just show you the mummy's passport now down here. Can you see? It's not so clear. We get a clearer one. Let's see. This one. You see this profession? Profession means what is he working as? He's the king. Deceased means dead. This is the dead king. Of course, like he's dead king. But a dead body, if you bring a dead body to go to another country, you don't need a passport. But because they say he's a king and we want to respect him, so you put the name of the king is Pharaoh, Ramses II. Date of birth 1303 BC. That means 1,303 years before the year 0. BC means before the year 0. Okay, the sex is male. Nationality put Egyptian. Date of issue 1974. Date of expiry 1981. Can you imagine? They were bringing a mummy from Egypt to go to France and they issued a passport. Isn't it crazy? Now, how did I know about this? There is this man actually. if you do not know, in the Quran, it talks about the story of Nabi Musa. No? Nabi Musa, you know Nabi Musa, Nabi Moses lah, the one who split the sea. And then they found out who that king, the pharaoh was that drowned in the sea. Okay, and this man, he became a Muslim after discovering it. But I won't go into that. Okay, we go back to our studies, can? Or you need more stories? I hope not. No? More stories. Okay, we try on the next one. We move on. Down here. Okay. We go to this one. Okay. Notice, if you do not know how to do this one, I'll add the 0 down here, then you know how to do. Okay. You just do the decimal only. Okay. I'll add the 0, then you can see. This is like, the next one is 1.421. 1.422. So the next one I've given you for A, 1.422. So you do B, C, and D, only the decimal only. Fraction you don't need to do. And action. Come lah, try lah. Dah penat lah. I do not want to tell stories. You know, my stories actually meant for Ramadan actually. Because you are very tired. Some of you are very tired.
So why is that the extra thing?
Why I put extra? Because if I don't put the extra, some of you do not know how to do. You say, this one 142, this one 143, 144. 143 is here lah. This is 1420, 1421, 1422, 14, and so on, so forth. This is now in the thousands place. In the thousands place. Imagine there's no dot, 1,421, 1,421, 1,422. Some imagine as if there's no dot, then you can see now. From 1420 to 1430, there's 10 now here. Wow. Done. Which one? Starbucks? No, this is the Starbucks cover, but actually, as I was telling you, mangoes are very cheap now. So I bought a big mango for $1. I bought 20 of them. So I asked my wife to blend them and make juice. It's good for health, but don't add sugar. Okay, sugar is bad for you. Oof. Aduh. Somebody was asking me, is it Starbucks? Okay. Yeah, so is Starbucks mug or cup lah?
I said my answer already.
Okay, Shafia said her answer. Let us see whether her answers are correct. So I write down, she says this is 1.435. And is it correct? Let's see. This is 1.431, 1.432, 1.434, 1.433, 1.434, and 1.435. Correct. Well done. Shafia, correct. The next one, this one is also correct. It's 1.443. Well done. And what about the last one? The last one is, this is 1.445. You know, this one is always 5, okay? 1.445. 446, 447, 448. Correct. Congratulations, Shafia. The only one who sent the answer. So
Sure.
yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
but need to do the fraction.
No need, no need, no need. Just this one. I just need you to. But if you want to know how to change this one, do you know how to change?
I know.
Now, okay. What would you tell me? What's answer? You write the answer here. You write the answer here. Let's check whether he's correct. Okay, we check whether he's
Okay.
correct. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. Apa itu? Oh, okay. Over. Okay, well done. So you notice down here is 1 space, 2, 3. So the bottom you must have 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3. Then remember to put the 1 here. On top put 4, 2, 2 lah. So Chungkok, you show the answer for the next one. Am I? Show the answer for the next one. So how to change this one, the last one. How to change to fraction?
Okay.
Why, Neris? Why you feeling sad, Neris? Don't feel sad.
I show you my answer.
Yeah. Yeah. You what you answer? Don't worry. This time we are just going through a little bit only. Okay. That's okay. So he right. Okay, Chungkok is correct. I do not know whether you know who Chungkok is, but wrong lah. Not 488. Hello, this one 448. This one must be 4 lah. This one must be 4. Okay. Yes. So correct. Well done.
What I get from it?
What do you get? What do you get from maths? How much do you get? You do not have your paper?
No, I got 10.
10 out of how many? 10 out of 15? Well, alhamdulillah, means you pass lah. Are you happy? Okay, all right, here we go. Not happy? Happy, alhamdulillah. Now, if I already showed you the students, right? I thought last time that really did well. Did I show you or not? I did not. Okay, I'll show you now. Okay, this is you can go to my website. You can write shahidsalim.com now here. I showed you before, right? The students. Did I show you now? Yes. Okay, for those who have not seen, I'll show you again. This is one student who is very, very slow last time. Now he's an associate architect, you know. When did I teach him? I taught him before the year 2000. That means it's about 25 years ago. And he was in the what stream? This is me. This is the mother lah. The first thing the mother meet me, what the mother say? This is what the mother say to me. See, the mother when you see me, where did the mother say? I just don't know. I can't remember. I wrote it somewhere lah. But anyway, this boy always says, teacher, headache. This boy, why he say headache? Because I'm testing him on his timetables and he's not used to thinking. So if you do not like maths, you may have to go through some difficulty, you know. Go through some difficulty. What do you mean? You have to have like exercise. When you exercise, you need to exercise your. Hey, Shafia, stop doing it. Why is everyone writing? You don't want to listen to this story. Okay lah. All right lah. Don't listen lah. We that thing. Okay, no problem. We go back to maths.
That one
true stories. Not my mother lah. Why my mother is like that? My mother kan she's not there. That lady is not my mother. That lady would normally be making those Chinese prayers. And every time I go to the house, my whole baju stink of these Chinese prayers. And then when I go inside the MRT, people look at me different kind. See what body smell is that? Okay. Hello, Adik. All right. How are you, Adik? Are you okay? Adik, you got big eyes, Adik. Okay. We will now move on to we'll move on to this one. Okay, can we try this one? No. Sorry. Sorry, we try this one. Let us see whether you can do understand this one. If you cannot, that means I know who. Okay. What is color start with T? Color start with T. I don't know. Is there a color that start with T? What? Chungkok, what is it?
Coins.
What? Again?
Coins.
Coins? I don't know what was coins. Turquoise. Okay. Turquoise. I heard you just say coins. So turquoise. There is turquoise. How to spell turquoise? I think Turquoise, I think. The color is like greenish blue, right? Okay, can we try question number 1? Turquoise. She's doing homework with what turquoise. Adik, you're doing turquoise. Later we show you turquoise color lah. It's very nice. So that's last year, is it, Naris? What about this year?
Yeah, I cannot hear you.
You cannot hear me. Okay, we try this one. Question number 1. Okay, come. This one, what about, you all know what to do? Add the zero here, add the zero. When you have something like that, you find you cannot write down, let's say like 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, it cannot be right, 0.2 is here. When you have something like that, add a zero down here, add a zero, then you can see how to do this. Like this is like 10, this is like 20. So what number is here? Can? Come, Mr. Putra, come on. Putra, come on. You don't want to do. You don't know what to do. You don't know what to do. Alamak, how Hey, come on, you know how to do lah. We need to get the basics out of the way.
No.
Then send your answers lah.
Yeah, I want to send.
You are sitting down like that and say, I want to send. What is he talking about? Come, Razik, why are you making arrows, Razik?
Yeah.
Yes. What do you say?
They go up.
Go up. What are you saying? I cannot hear. Go up what? Your reception may not be too good. Okay. Go up, you mean the paper to go up, is it? Okay. But we are not going to do the bottom one. We are just going to do like down here. So I'm going to run through with you, okay? Okay, here we go. So this one you add a zero. Add a zero. No need to. We are not going to do A, and I would just want to see whether can you do this without help.
Why is fruit and veggie with M?
Fruit and veggie with M. One fruit is mango. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Mango. Veggie. Veggie. That means I. Got to check veggie, yeah. You can Google this. You can ask Pak Google lah. Okay, vegetable lah. Okay. What is going on, Razik? Razik, yes, I'm asking you what is going on. What is going on with you? Where are you? Okay, you can have this one not common answer. Let me see.
Yeah, I cannot see.
Mushroom. Mushroom would be it. You cannot see it. Now can see?
No.
Why you cannot see? Okay, I'll try again. So you can tell Adik, narrate your Adik, mushroom. M-U-S-H-R-O-O-M, mushroom. That's a veggie, right?
I still cannot see.
Still cannot see? Maybe something wrong with your eyes.
But
Your screen is not positioned correctly. Okay, I think we are taking too long. So now I have to run through lah. Okay. This one you add 0 down here, add a 0. So you go, this one 0.11. So it's 0.11 down here. This one 0.12, 0.13, 0.14, 0.15. Okay, 0.15.
yeah.
Yeah?
Can I leave and join back?
What do you say?
Can I leave and then join back?
Yeah, please. This is 0.19. Now, how do we know that? Because this is 1 before 0.20. What is 1 before 20? 19, right? You see, 19 is here. All right. So, what about the next one? Okay. Next one. Hey, talking about irrelevant. Who is this? Please. Okay, here we go. So, some students say, they are complaining. They say, why is Adi asking me only? So I will message you. Okay, this is not same thing. 0.21, 0.22. Okay, Minnesota is 1. Massachusetts, I forgot how to say it. Minnesota is 1. Okay, so down here is 0.25. Okay, how do we know? Because the 5 is always out. So this is 0.15. 0.25, 0.26, 0.27, 0.28.
Yeah, I got off for that.
Okay, well done. If you got all correct, well done. Okay, you all seem very distracted. So I'm going to share with you a tree that is I used to see a lot in Singapore, but it's poisonous tree. Please, if you see this tree, don't think it's apple, you go and makan. Okay, I just very quickly show you this tree, okay? Okay, here we go. Okay, what's the name of the tree? The name of the tree is called not Pong Pong. You see, Adik? Hey, who is that? Husna Shafia. Adik, once you write only, I will go back to the place. Pong Pong tree. Pong Pong tree. This is you can see this in Singapore. This have you seen this fruit? This tree before? This tree, don't think it's apple. Go makan mati. Okay, what the Malays used to do, or the Dayak. You know what's Dayak? I don't know whether you know. Yes. Dayak.
Actually, ping pong.
Ting tong. Okay. This is Dayak. Okay. Dayak, you can find them in Sarawak. The Dayak will take this pong pong fruit, you pound, make it into like powder, and then throw it into the water. You know why? When they want to catch fish, you throw it into the water, the fish become mabuk, no? Then they can spear the fish. It's poison. Be careful. Okay, don't think that that one look at apple You look son. Wow, this one red apple, green apple. Hello, this is not apple You look carefully at the pong pong fruit.
Why cannot eat?
Poisonous.
No, I mean like, why is it poison?
You know, why is it poison? I don't know. Allah made certain plants to be poisonous. So the leaves is like that. I can see. It looks like apple. Last time when I was young, I would say, it's like apple. It's not apple. It's called pong pong. And pong pong, as I said, you can pound it into powder, and if you let someone eat it, the person will die, or might have to go to hospital for food poisoning. But the Dayak used to make it into powder, and then when they go fishing, they didn't use a net. This Dayak, they use as a spear, and then they would chochok the fish. So they used to pour the powder inside the water, and that caused the fish to become a little bit mabuk, and then they become slow. See, when they are slow, they can spear it. When they are normal, the fish is fast, very fast. Okay, let's go back to this. And that was just our interlude. Okay, we are now. Which one is the smaller decimal? Okay, I'm going to test you one by one. Okay. Okay, which one is smaller decimal? We'll start with Putra. Is it 4.8 or 3.9? This is so easy lah. 4.8.
I want.
Okay, what is it, Husna? Shafia.
4.8.
4.8 is not smaller, it's 3.9.
Why 3.9?
Because, who is this? Jungkook, don't draw lah, Jungkook. You draw, then the rest will draw.
Because you make it into the simplest form.
Make it simplest form.
Yeah.
You see down here. 4.8. Okay, I'll write the number. 4.8. If you write 4.8, 3.9. 3.9 is smaller, what? So I do not know why they are asking you for this type of question. Let me see. Let me see whether, unless they give other type of question. Let me see.
Okay.
Down here. So down here, greater. Okay, very easy lah. This one. Oh, Apa Cik Yusof? Okay, now this one, you try this one. Can you arrange from smallest to biggest, please? Okay, you arrange smallest to biggest. Or just type and send to me, please. Type and send to me. You must know all this, okay? Okay. Which one is the smallest? Come on. 4.4. Okay, this is 4.4. That's the first. This is the smallest one. Okay, good. Then second one? 17. Good. This is the second one. And the third one is this one. Well done. It is that simple. But you must know the order. Okay, maybe it's considered too simple for you guys. So I'm now going to move on to more difficult ones. Okay. Okay, this one. Greatest. Number C. We're looking at number C. Which one is the greatest? Anyone, you can just say out the answer. Say out the answer, please. You agree that one? This one is what greatest. Then after that, 110. Yes. Then next one.
109.
Okay, 2 and 3. Well done. Okay, and so it's easy lah. This is easy, but you must master this. Okay, so we move on to the next one. Okay, we go one by one. We test one by one. You don't conteng on here, please. We're gonna ask one by one. Okay, Neris, which one? In A, which one is the smallest? This one, or this one? First, second, or third? Neris, first, second, or third? Which one is smallest? We wait for Neris. Let Neris answer just for one. Is it 5.268, 5.286, 5.826? Which one? Cuba. 5.268, 5.8286, 5.826. Oh, she has sent me a message. How come you don't want to speak? First, okay, well done. Hey, who is this? Not Neris. This is Razik. Okay, all right. All right, this is the first. Okay, yeah, that was note. Okay, so next one now. Next one. Neris, you can give us also the next one. Which one is smallest, Neris? 0.916, 0.196, 0.961. Okay, Chukot, this is greatest. Okay, but we want smallest. This, or this? This, Neris. Which one? First, second, third. First, second, third. You can just turn on and say first, second, third. Turn on the volume. Third. Second, okay. Neris, thank you, but this again is not Neris. Neris, you must give the answer. We go ask you until you give the answer. C, which one is it? Smallest, 10.4, 10.0, 10.3. This Neris, this is a false Neris lah. The false Neris, okay, correct. Now, 10.0, yes, 10.043, yes. Okay, Neris now. D, Neris. Which one? Chungkok, don't do lah, Chungkok. Okay. Chungkok is given an answer, but this is wrong. This is wrong, okay? Now, how do we know this is wrong? This is 12.05. This is 12.06. So this is, if we add the 0, you can see now. It's like 60 here. This is 56. So 1, yes. 1. Okay, what about the last one? Anyone? Anyone? Okay, which one? 1, 2, or 3? 1, 3. 3 is smallest. Yeah, 24. If you don't, smallest. Okay, so Razik says this, and Razik is correct now. How do we know? We add the 0 here. Can you see? This is 328. This is 320. This is only 32. All right, so that is what it is. Okay, we will now have to clear this one. We got 10 minutes more. 10 minutes more. Okay, this next one. Which one is the smallest? Anyone? First, second, third. 5, 4, 3, 2. Just say it. Shafika says this. Chungkok says this. Let us compare. Okay, who is correct? Shafika or Chungkok? Now, all we need to do is make them have 3 digits here. So now this is 6. This is 60. This is 600. Can you see? 50.600. 50.60. 50.6. Yes, well done. Okay, Mr. Arrow here is Razik. Okay, disappearing and then appearing. Okay, here we go. Now they want you to arrange. From decreasing order means from big to small. Please send your answers by chat, please. First one will receive a free prize. Yes. And the prize will go to Neris. I hope tomorrow you get a prize from me. Okay, Neris?
No, I will never.
Yeah, the prize is for Neris lah.
Never.
Never? Aduh, why you don't want? Chungkok, don't write down here. Once you write here, others also will write down here. I do not know. This one look at bihun lah, yours.
Just guess.
Don't guess lah. You must do your working. Okay, Shafia, same thing. Shafia, don't follow. Shafia, don't follow. Don't follow your kakak. Your kakak is very good, no? When she's in class, if she turns on a video, she's good. But normally she turns off a video lah. I do not know why she turned on video. Come, Chungkok, I don't think you don't know how to do this one, no, Chungkok. Yeah, you don't know. That's why you give up lah. You send me the answer by chat lah. Let me see. Because just now you got this wrong. You got the earlier one wrong. So I want to see you know how to do this or not. I don't think you know. You are like the hare and the tortoise, you know. You know the hare and tortoise? Yes. Yes.
From our parents.
Sorry? Collect the present lah from your parents. If you get it correct, okay, then your parents might contact me, say why is it I'm asking them to collect presents from you. So let us see. Okay, so Neris, you won a prize, you know. She said never. Okay, come on. Hey, Putra, you're handsome already lah. Now you need to do this one.
Underline. You cannot underline.
Okay, yeah, you don't underline here. Okay, I'm gonna write down the numbers in front. You tell me now which one is the biggest? First, second, third, fourth. Which one is the biggest? Who knows? Anyone?
Biggest.
The biggest. It's number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4. Which one? Biggest. Putra, which one is biggest, Putra?
7.1. Number 3.
Number 3 is biggest. So sorry, number 3 is the smallest actually.
Huh?
It's the smallest, you know. That's why I tell you, you look at this one, you need to have 3 spaces here, 3 decimal places. You make this 3 or so. How to make it 3? Add a 0 at the end. This is like 180, 185. This one you add another 2 zeros, 100. This one add another 0, 810. Can you see that this is the biggest? 7.81 is the biggest. Then the next one, what is the next one? Come on. Number 2, 7.815. 185. Then number 3, 7.18. And number 4, 7.1. So how do we know which one is big or small? You look at the number of decimal places, right? This one is only 2, this one is 3, this one is 1, this one is 2. You got to add the 0. Add the 0 to make it the same, okay? So this, then you can compare. It's 810, 7,810, 7,100, 7,185, 7,180. So you do it this way, you are able to do it. So now I'm going to give you the next one. You try the next one. You try the next one. Here we go. Here we go. Okay. This girl, chunting lah, this girl. Come, this girl, chunting. Okay lah. Here we go. Okay, you try now. Question number B. Which one is, we want from biggest to smallest, right? That's what they say. Biggest to smallest. So what is your answer? Okay, let's see. Who is this? To everyone. Too late. That one too late. They're over. We are doing now the next one. We are doing the one below Razik. 0.01. Help you. Okay, I'll try help. Is your brother bullying you? Okay, come. 0.01, 0.1, 0.011, 0.111. Which one is the biggest? Which one is the biggest? Again, as I said, you must make sure that the number of places is the same. This one is 3. Number 4, this is biggest. Correct. Well done. Well done. This is the biggest. Now let us see. I'm just going to add down here. You make it 3 places. This one 3 places. So this is like 10. This one 100. This one 11. This one 111. So this is the biggest. Correct. What is the next one? The next one. The next one. Number 2. 100. Yes. And the next one.
Number one.
Number 1. This is 10. This one is 11. Number 3. Then number 4. Okay, we do one more. Okay, what you want to put on your face? Don't put on your face lah. What you gonna put? Later. No. Hey, this is not show and tell. Come, this is mathematics class. Come, we try the next one. From biggest to smallest. They have given you all this together. It's quite easy, this one. Okay, you tell me which one. First, second, third, fourth. Which one is the biggest? First, second, third, fourth. Come on, offer. Okay. Come, Neris.
Yeah, what?
Okay. What is the biggest number then?
Number 3.
Number 3, good. Then next one?
Number 2.
Number 2, well done. Next one?
Number 4.
Number 4, yes. And then the last one. So this is arrangement from big to small. Notice, when you have the same number of decimal places, you know how to do. So because of that, when your decimal don't have the same number of places, yeah, it's big to small. Razik, not Razif, huh? Okay. Okay, I share with you. No, we finish this now. the next one now. Okay, next one. Okay, the last one. Then I'll share with you something. I do not know whether I shared this with you the other day. This one they want you to arrange in increasing order, means from small to big, from small to big. Okay, where it? Come on, do it.
What?
You say you want to show me something and I put on your face.
Do it.
Huh? Okay, come. Okay, Neris, you know smallest. Which one smallest? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Okay, Neris, you try to beat her to it, Neris.
I want. Number 4.
This is smallest.
Number
Smallest,
4.
smallest. I want smallest. Say increasing is smallest, Okay, done. What's the answer? Where?
Done. Where?
Okay, all right. That's
Oh,
great.
number 3.
Number 3 smallest. Hey, look, this one. 8 lah. This is 8. The rest are 9. So this is the smallest.
Oh, then I'm correct.
Number 1.
No, correct.
Then number 2, what's the number 2? Okay, congrats. This one number 2, second one, second biggest, second smallest, second smallest. Number 4, yeah, number 4. Okay, this one second. Then third, 2. And okay, well done.
Two.
Well done. So it's 9:30, but Chungkok wants to show that. Okay, you look very handsome, Chungkok. You look very handsome. Okay.
Hey.
Okay, you look very good. You look like assistant teacher. Okay, have I shown you?
He looks like a grandpa.
a grandpa. Aduh. Did I tell you about the guru and all? I told you, right? Have I told you? Yes, right. So I don't need to tell you anymore. Then. Okay then, we catch up. We catch up with one another next week. But try to be more serious lah. You all are a little bit playful lah. Okay, try to be more serious. Okay, I want you all to do well for your maths. Okay. Assalamualaikum. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Okay, Chung Kyung, you look much older than what you are. Bye bye.